PancakeSwap is the best DeFi protocol. Here's why. The expansion of decentralized finance has become far more acceptable in the digital world in recent years. There are a number of DeFi protocols on the market that promise a bigger slice of the global pie. And ironically, food-themed DeFi protocols are the most popular among them. Let's take a look at one of the most well-known food-themed DeFi protocols, PancakeSwap, and how it governs the DeFi world. PancakeSwap is no laughing matter. Despite its comical name, it's among the most popular decentralized applications of all time, with a daily trading volume of around $90 million at the time of making this video. In this video, we'll look at how to make money with PancakeSwap in full detail. So stay tuned and stick with us to the end to learn just about everything there is to know about PancakeSwap. So, you want to convert cryptocurrencies into cash but don't know where to begin? You've probably heard people brag about the millions they've earned just by being early to the cryptocurrency party and profiting by selling their cryptocurrencies at a higher price later. Maybe you even have buddies that make a living solely from crypto mining. The reality is that everyone enters the cryptocurrency market with the goal of making money, but not everyone succeeds. Due to a lack of information about how to make money using cryptocurrencies, many people simply give up and burn their money. We're going to make sure that doesn't happen to you after today. So then, what's PancakeSwap? Let's dive right in. What is PancakeSwap? PancakeSwap is the second most popular decentralized exchange on Binance Smart Chain, and it has grown in popularity due to its high liquidity, extensive feature set, and rapidly expanding user base. What makes PancakeSwap better than the others on BSC is thanks to its automated trade that utilizes smart contracts as a decentralized exchange, eliminating any liabilities. Despite the fact that the team behind PancakeSwap is pretty much unknown, it's been certified by many important blockchain security firms, including Certic. The website and smart contract code for PancakeSwap are both open source, and that makes the platform totally open for public use. The platform has seen a remarkable economic boom in both the number of users and the liquidity of supported assets since its launch in September 2020, as well as in the variety of features it provides. We'll talk about its features later on in the video, so make sure that you watch till the end so you don't miss out. Also, be sure to hit that bell icon so you don't miss a single upload. PancakeSwap has evolved into a full-fledged DeFi ecosystem, with all of its products based on Cake, the platform's main utility token. Cake is used for a number of things in the rapidly expanding ecosystem: yield farming, staking, participating in the PancakeSwap lottery, and posting and voting on governance proposals via the platform's community governance interface are just a few of the platform's main features. The reason why PancakeSwap is able to provide so many features is because it's a decentralized exchange that operates as an automated market maker. This means there are no order books, bid or ask procedures, or limit and market orders in this system. Instead of being an automated market maker or AM, the platform users automatically draw liquidity from one or more liquidity pools, which are rebalanced after each trade. The way AM works is AM trades such as PancakeSwap take liquidity from one end and supply it to the other, affecting asset ratios and market value.